Forms series. Today, we're going to learn all about the section field in the Forms on Fire form designer. Section field type is below the page field type on the left-hand side of the form designer. The section field is a read-only field type that lets you display text and/or an image in your form. Add a section field, just click and drag the section field to where you want to place it in your page. Click on your newly added section field to display the field properties on the right-hand side of the screen. You can completely customize the look, feel, and behavior of your section. There are many reasons you may want to use a section field. Two of the most common are to display an image, such as your company's logo, or a section header. To display an image, just upload an image of your choice. Use a section field as a header, or to display read-only text, just use the title text and hint text option to type in your text you want to display in your form. Now you know how to use the section field on the Forms on Fire form designer. Call our technical support if you have any questions about this tutorial. Comment below with what you'd like to see next. Join me for our next tutorial video, Mobile Forms that Work Beautifully.